how to add filters on NanoBanana AI. Watch this video till the end. To begin with, open your web browser on your device and search for NanoBanana AI. Once the website loads, scroll down until you find the AI editor section. Under the editor section, just tap on click or drag image to upload the photo you want to edit. Here choose any image from your gallery. After your image is uploaded, click on the main prompt box. This is where you can tell the AI exactly what kind of filter you want. The more specific your description, the better the result. Once your instruction is written, hit the generate button and your edited photo will appear in the output gallery, ready for you to view or download. And that's all. This is how to add filters on NanoBanana AI.